How to compare Deepseek versus Chatgpt. Hey everyone, if you're using Chatgpt and have heard about Deepseek, you've probably been wondering what's the difference. So in today's video, I'm just gonna break down the most important differences between Deepseek and ChatGPT. But before that, we can start off with what they have in common. Both can help you write emails, brainstorm ideas, and explain concepts and write code. The biggest difference for most people is going to be the cost. DeepSeek is completely free at the moment with no usage limit. You can ask in as many questions as you want without hitting a paywall. ChatGPT does have a free version, but for the best model, you need to pay a subscription. Now, talking about its unique strength, ChatGPT is often seen as a leader in reasoning and creativity. It can be great for tasks that require a deep understanding of a nuance. So, a great task example for ChatGPT: help me negotiate a salary, draft me an email that is confident but not arrogant and acknowledges my gratitude for my current role. ChatGPT is also good in handling languages and tones as well. So, if you have any tasks relating to this, ChatGPT can give you a great answer. Now, talking about DeepSeek, the standout feature it has is its massive context window, which means it can remember a huge amount of information in a single conversation. A great example for DeepSeek could be if you have a long project, for example, a code for an entire website, and if you're currently facing bugs, you can ask DeepSeek to look at the main cause of the bug and the reason the page might be crashing. Because of its huge memory, it can analyze big documents, long scripts, or an entire conversation without getting lost. So these are just some of the differences that you can compare for DeepSeek and ChatGPT. If this short video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more future videos, make sure to hit that notification bell.